Hi everybody, I hope you're having a great day. This is our second installment talking about lending. I'm here again with Kathy Warga with New American Mortgage Company, and today's topic is different type of loans that are out there that are available to you. Now let's say, and I get a lot of people say, Warren, I'm interested in buying a HUD repo or a bank repo. And there's different types of lending for this even. One of them with the HUD homes, a lot of people are not even aware of this. It only requires a total of $100 down payment. Kathy, why don't you address HUD homes a little bit?
Well, HUD homes are unique. Unfortunately, we still have a lot of them, but for buyers, it's a wonderful opportunity because almost immediately you can be assured that you're going to get some good equity right away because they're typically priced very well. HUD has select homes or properties that they allow that they have literally no down payment. You put $100 down as your earnest money, and that's your complete down payment. The loan process is the same as any other from that point forward. It really is just an FHA loan that you have to go through the same processes as every other one, but because it's a HUD home, they're able to waive the normal 3.5% down payment.
Yeah, very good.
Wonderful opportunity for folks out there to get into a home with little or no money down, and again, probably set up with some very good equity because we feel like you're buying the home at a great price at that point too.
Right. Now, one thing I want to emphasize with HUD though too, your earnest money is a little different. You do have to have $1,000 earnest money, but you get that credited back all but the $100.
Right.
And that's as long as it's over $50,000.
Yeah.
Now, that brings up another issue. We find, let's say a HUD home, $100 down, but it needs a tremendous amount of work. There are loans out there available that can actually do the rehab work on the house called 203K loan. Why don't you explain what that is? Kathy?
203Ks, first off, are a fabulous product that is very underused because I think a lot of lenders are afraid of it. They don't understand what the process is. Sometimes realtors don't know how it works either. So the consumer might lose out. Luckily, Warren and I both have embraced this product. You can look at any home, and HUD homes particularly, or any other bank home, or what we call a distressed home because it's a house that is in the process at some point of being in foreclosure is one that comes to mind, but it could also be a house that is a little bit outdated.
Sure, it could be a beautiful home. Doesn't even have to be a distressed property. You buy a house, but you want granite countertops, you want all new appliances, new carpeting. That would qualify for 203K too, so it's a fantastic opportunity.
It is. It's a repair escrow. So if you walk through the house, and be it a HUD home or a home listed anywhere, in the Indianapolis area, and say, you know what, I love this house, but it needs carpet and appliances. So we figure out how much is that, get a quote, let's figure out how much in repairs it really does need. And then we escrow that for you, and you go ahead and close on the home, and based on, as long as the house will appraise with the improvements. So if you're looking at a $100,000 home and it needs $5,000 worth of repairs, you pay the seller $100,000 and you get a loan for $105,000.
That's great.
Great. So and you get all the things in the house that you wanted and make the repairs that otherwise you might not be able to make. And it's something that FHA has done to help folks because they understand homeowners weren't necessarily able to buy homes for a while. It was just turning into homes that investors could pay for. And really what FHA and HUD want is for owner occupants or homeowners to own homes. So, yeah.
Well, that's all for this episode. The next one we're going to be talking about are a couple other type of loans that are out there for people that have very little down payment. There are things we can do to help you with that too. So look for our next installment. Thanks again.
Thanks.